Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight bulb on a Toyota Avalon. First, make sure your car is completely off and the engine has cooled down. You'll need a new headlight bulb, which you can find by checking your owner's manual or the old bulb itself. Also, have a Phillips head screwdriver and possibly a flathead screwdriver handy. Safety first, so always wear gloves to protect your hands and avoid touching the new bulb's glass. Now, let's get to the bulb. Pop open your hood and look behind the headlight assembly. You might see some plastic covers or air ducts in the way. Gently remove these to gain clear access. Once you can reach the bulb, carefully disconnect the electrical connector. It usually has a tab you press or a clip you slide. Be gentle to avoid damaging the wiring. With the connector off, you'll need to unclip or twist the retaining ring that holds the old bulb in place. Once it's free, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb. Remember, never touch the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can cause hot spots and shorten its life. Use gloves or hold it by the base, then insert it firmly into the housing. After the new bulb is in, secure it by re-engaging the retaining clip or twisting it back into place. Then, firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Make sure it clicks securely. Don't forget to put back any plastic covers or air ducts you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your headlights to ensure everything is working correctly. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.